Can't sleep because your mind is racing with a million thoughts? You're not alone. So many of us lie in bed, replaying the day's events, worrying about tomorrow, or just getting lost in a spiral of random thoughts. It's like your brain has a mind of its own and refuses to switch off. But what if I told you? There is a simple trick to help you hit the mental shutdown button. This is a powerful technique rooted in cognitive psychology, and it's designed specifically for The first step is to accept that the thoughts are there. Don't fight them. Fighting your thoughts only gives them more power and makes you more anxious. Instead, just acknowledge them without judgment. Picture them as clouds passing by in the sky. You see them, but you don't have to engage with them. Now, here comes the key part. We're going to give your active mind a gentle but boring job to do. This redirects its energy away from those stressful thoughts. Start by focusing on your breath. Inhale slowly for 4 counts. Hold for 4 and exhale slowly for 6. Feel the air entering your lungs and leaving your body. Do this a few times to calm your nervous system. After you feel a bit more relaxed, begin the mental shutdown exercise. I want you to start counting backward from a high number, like 300. But here's the twist. With each number, you're going to visualize it being written slowly and then gently erased. So, you'd picture the number 300, see it clearly in your mind, and then watch it fade away. Then, 299, see it, and let it disappear. Then, 298, and so on. Why does this work? It's simple. This task is just engaging enough to occupy the part of your brain that loves to overthink, but it's also incredibly monotonous. Your brain gets bored. The combination of deep breathing and this gentle, repetitive mental task helps shift you from an active, alert state into a pre-sleep state. It doesn't give your mind the space to jump back to your worries. If you lose count or your mind wanders, that's completely okay. Don't get frustrated. Just gently bring your focus back and start again from where you left off, or even from 300 again if you need to. The goal isn't to reach 0. The goal is to fall asleep along the way by giving your brain this simple, calming task. You're telling it, it's time to rest now. You're guiding it towards sleep instead of forcing it. Try this tonight. Instead of wrestling with your thoughts, give them a gentle distraction. You might be surprised at how quickly your brain decides to finally power down for the night. For more tips on calming your mind and improving your well-being, make sure to subscribe to the @VoiceWithin page. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams.